Tingnan ng bola, sino nakuha? Nakuha ng Ibarra. Fugnet, lazy, up and there. No, rebounded by Fugnet. Passes outside. Traveling violation. Same footstep is not allowed in Timberwolves. Grimbiaya brings down the ball. Passes outside. 15 to shoot. Migosa sa laksak. 2-pointers good for Baluyo.
Bata natin yung bata.
Passes to Fugnet. Inside to number 0. Jordan Noguer. Grimbiaya. Passes outside to number 20, Enriquez. Passes to Baluyo, but Fugnet was there to steal it. 2-pointers good for number 14. Baluyo, naginis mo. Baluyo, gets to the foul. Was fouler up? Fouler number 23, Fugnet. First shot for Baluyo, no good. Second shot is good for Baluyo. Traveling violation.
Alam mo mga galing nito, jogging.
Yeah, making it smooth. Passes inside. Floater goes in for number 13.
Alam mo, ganyan nyo pa.
Passes inside, ball was stolen by Baluyo. Passes to Grimbiaya. Layup is good for Baluyo. No good. Number 0 with the ball. Floater, no good. Number 14, no good still. Passes outside. Fakes. 3-pointer, no good. Fugnet, nagbaba ng bola. Fugnet, siya sa laksak. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 14, foul, counter.
Hindi kasi EJ laging lamang mo. Lagi na nagtatanong. Lagi na napapansin.
First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot is good for number 14, Garapco.
Yan, sa 3
15 to shoot. Passes inside. Bola pa rin ng Commodore with 10 second shot clock. No good still. Fugnet with the ball. Layup by Fugnet is good.
Okay lang. Sige.
Passes to Baluyo. Baluyo angkat. Lacey up and there. To Fugnet. Back to another Fugnet. Ball was taken stolen by Baluyo, but it was out of bounds. Ang hirap banggitin ng pangalan, puro Fugnet. Sumuwi yung bola. Bula. Passes inside. Back outside. Substitution. Change by. Wait lang po. Upo muna si number 23. Di ba nakakapasok si number 6? Number 6. Passes to Rebolito. Rebolito making his move. Perimeter J. No good. Tapi ka ng bola nakuha ni Enriquez. Ben Biay sasalaksak. Ben Biay takes. Perimeter jumper. Goes in. Oh, Ben Biay. Loses the ball. Turnover. Enriquez no good. Rebounded by number 7. Passes to Rebolito.
Hindi, wala. Ay,
Ben Biay making his move. Takes, passes. Angeles for 3. No good. Passes to Fugnet. Fugnet lays it up. Number 88 passes. Filter. No good still. Rebounded by Fugnet. Committee's time out. 12 minutes. Ben Biay sasalaksak. Perimeter jumper by si Bowen.
S1!
25, nagbaba ng bola. Rebolito. Passes inside to number 24. Passes inside. Blocked by Enriquez. 14 seconds remaining. Stop. Go. Foul, counted. Bonus shot. No good. Hindi na to sa time. Number 88. Passes to Bendian. Passes inside. Enriquez with the ball.
Nasa ka ba sana?
15 seconds shot clock. Number 6, perimeter J. No good. Follow up, no good still. Sa kanya pa rin. Number 7. Wala pa rin. Number 8 with the board. Green ball was stolen by Banaha. To Rebolito for 3. Plancha. Offensive foul on Enriquez. First personal foul. 13 foul. Bank shot is good for Banaha. Bendiay, nagbaba ng bola. Perimeter jumper is good for Bendiay. Number 7 to number 25. Traveling violation for Embolito.
Sabi ko sa inyo, alam ko
Bendiare making his move. Shoots 2 pointers good for Bendiare. Number 7 making his move. Spins. 5. Timeout by Bayo.
Next sabihin mo.
Second personal foul, 1 for penalty. Second shot is good. Passes to the wing. Shoots the 3-point. 3-pointer is good.
Dapat.
53 seconds remaining. 7. Traveling violation.
Hanggang matapos ang porto at tabili.
Number 7 with the ball. Passes to Banal. Ball was stolen by Bendiare. Bendiare to number 34. Number 34, si Marilo. Hakit na to. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. Shot clock off. 10 seconds remaining. 8 seconds. 3 pointers good. 5 seconds.